Welcome back to Top Deals Point. Today, we're revealing the top 5 smart video doorbells that will transform your home security in 2025. From crystal clear cameras to AI motion detection, we've tested them all. Whether you want budget-friendly or premium features like solar panels and biometric scanning, we've got you covered. Check out all the current deals and purchase links in our description box and pinned comment. These discounts won't last long. Let's jump into our countdown of the best smart video doorbells you can buy right now. At number 5, we kick things off with the Lockley Vision Elite. This is a comprehensive smart home security solution that combines multiple devices into one innovative unit. This all-in-one device features a full HD 1080p eBay video camera with night vision up to 15 feet, motion sensor with AI false alert prevention, biometric fingerprint scanner for up to 99 fingerprints, and a built-in solar panel for continuous power. Its standout Pin Genie keypad uses rotating numbers to prevent peek-proof entry, while two-way audio doorbell functionality and app remote control provide complete door management. However, drawbacks include spotty motion detection performance and interference with spare key usage due to solar panel positioning. The system requires a separate Wi-Fi hub with Ethernet connection, adding complexity. This premium device targets tech-savvy homeowners seeking consolidated security features, offering unmatched integration compared to competitors requiring separate doorbell cameras and smart locks, though at a higher price point with occasional reliability issues. Coming in at number 4, it's the Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. This offers exceptional value with 1440p HD video in a square 1:1 aspect ratio, providing comprehensive head-to-toe coverage with a 150-degree field of view plus dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity and package person detection with free cloud storage. Installation is straightforward with clear video quality, while battery life extends up to 6 months and includes a chime unit. However, video can appear grainy with wide-angle distortion, and connectivity issues plague many users during setup and ongoing use. A slight chime delay occurs when the doorbell rings. This budget-friendly option targets cost-conscious homeowners seeking reliable smart doorbell functionality without premium pricing, distinguishing itself through the unique square aspect ratio and extended battery life. Though connectivity reliability remains a concern compared to more expensive competitors. At number 3, we've got the Roku Smart Home Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. This delivers 1440p HD video with color night vision, using a low-light amplifier that captures twice as much light, plus an ultra-wide 150-degree angle for comprehensive coverage. The unique TV integration allows receiving alerts directly on your Roku TV or player, while voice control works with Roku Voice, Alexa, and Google Assistant. The 90-day subscription includes 14-day cloud storage and smart detection for person, pet, package, or car identification. However, users report overpriced cloud service at $3.99 monthly and subscription trial issues, plus occasional hiccups with the Smart Home app. This doorbell primarily targets existing Roku ecosystem users seeking seamless TV integration, distinguishing itself through native Roku device compatibility and direct streaming to televisions, though it may disappoint non-Roku users due to limited standalone appeal and ongoing subscription costs for full functionality. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the Blink Video Doorbell. This offers outstanding value with 2-year battery life using 2 AA batteries and 1080p HD day and infrared night video with two-way audio. This is one of the most affordable options, while wire-free installation eliminates complex setup requirements. Motion detection and chime app alerts provide reliable notifications, and Alexa integration enables smart home connectivity. However, the limited vertical field of view hinders package detection and visitor identification, while streaming recorded content and two-way communication can be slow. Initial setup may experience notification irregularities, and cloud storage requires subscription fees. This budget-friendly doorbell targets cost-conscious homeowners seeking basic video doorbell functionality without premium features, distinguishing itself through exceptional battery longevity and Amazon ecosystem integration, though it sacrifices advanced capabilities found in pricier competitors. And finally, the number one spot goes to the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. This represents Ring's best battery-powered doorbell camera with cutting-edge security features delivering crystal clear 1536p HD plus resolution with comprehensive head-to-toe coverage that eliminates blind spots. The 3D motion detection provides incredible accuracy, significantly reducing unnecessary alerts, while advanced noise cancellation enhances superior audio quality. Installation is remarkably quick with setup completing in under 3 minutes over 5 GHz Wi-Fi. However, significant drawbacks include frequent battery recharging due to energy-consuming features and confusing setup processes, plus mandatory $5 monthly cloud storage with no local storage option. This premium doorbell targets Ring ecosystem users seeking professional-grade security features, distinguishing itself through superior video resolution and precise motion detection compared to competitors, though battery dependency and subscription requirements may deter budget-conscious consumers seeking simpler alternatives.